What is it, the air freshener
Yeah,
stuff?
yeah. So she told me to take them all. I got a bunch of those. See, yeah. These bottles here, your nana will get sick with this, with Air Wick. So I had to take them off. I had them in each room.
Got more?
Those are screwdrivers. Plus, I have this here. I got a bunch of these here. I got some more over there in the door.
He's that one already. More. You have an extra lock.
Yeah, that one has the same. It has the same key as a mobile. You got tapes, kind of tapes, and these.
It's right here.
Yeah, but to open the sucker.
It's not a button right here.
No, you have to push it here inside here.
Want me to open it?
You have to push that inside, and then pull it with this here.
You see?
See if you can open it. Let me hold this.
I can't open this thing. Yeah, no way I can't open it.
And if you hit it at the right spot, it'll open.
What else do you have in here? Is that a radar detector?
No, it's another charger for the.
Oh. There you go.
You know what these are for?
No.
Okay, say that you have a broken bolt,
Yeah.
you drill it out with these. See, it's got everything is backwards. You go like this, see, and it is backwards.
So if I get a bolt stuck, like, how about like in a tire?
What do you mean on the tire?
If I get like a nail in my tire,
Oh,
like a
no.
screw.
No, you can do it, see, but this one is mostly when you have bolt. Okay, like say that bolt broke, right?
Yeah.
Okay, to get the bolt out, you drill it a little bit with a small drill, and then you use one of these, whichever one is okay, see? And then you'll get this one will stick into the bolt, and it'll, you get the bolt. They call it the in and out.
Like the hamburger?
Yeah. And then these things sometimes they come handy. You know, like you got the
I have
Phillips
one of
here.
those.
Yeah, they come in handy sometimes. And then this hammer, I've had this hammer for I don't know how many years that the handle broke. And then the other day I had it over there. And then I was like, what the hell with it? So I got one of those, see that handle over there?
Which one? Oh, yeah.
That one. I cut it and I made it from these.
So made your own handle?
Yeah. These. If this thing is not working, the truck will not start.
The starter?
No, this is for to let the propane go into the motor. See, with these. Every time when you turn on the switch, you hear something click, and is this thing opening? That means that propane will go in as soon as you gun it. Which is the vaporizer that's there. There's a see that vaporizer that's for propane, the one at the bottom with a big hole.
Where?
That one in front of you.
This?
That one.
This thing?
No, the other one.
This one?
That one. See, it's a vaporizer. See, because before the propane goes into the engine, it vaporizes from liquid to vapor, and this one vaporizes it. Those things are $300.
For that thing?
Yeah. And without that, it will not start. You know what this for?
No.
Toilet seat.
Toilet? Where's the toilet seat?
Huh?
Where's the toilet seat? Is it in use?
No, it's broke.
So why do you have it?
Because the other one that he had, it broke. See, so I took this one off of an old one that was broken.
Yeah.
So I save it. So if this one on the restroom breaks, I can change it with these.
I have another one here too. Look.
Yeah, there's two of them. See, this one works like this. See, you pull the lid up, and this open here, and this is for the bottom lid. See, this here. So it's an extra of the ones that I got.
Oh man.
You know what this is?
So a glue gun,
Yeah,
like the hot glue gun.
yeah.
You don't have any glue sticks? Oh, this right here.
Yeah, I got glue sticks on this sucker.
Is this steel wool?
Huh?
Steel wool?
Yeah. See, I made it to where I can use a drill on it. This hot glue, the stick, I left it on the gun.
You got stuck in
I
there?
got stuck in there. See where it's stuck?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. I'll have to get it out. You hear that?
There. This sucker ain't gonna stick no more. So when I use it, I just use it from there. I'll show you ahorita. I'll show you where I have the glue sticks.
Okay.
This is another brand new battery charger. I like to charge this. Only that this one the other time, I dropped it right here
Yeah?
and it broke.
How did you drop it?
I don't know, it just
Like
fell off.
trip?
It just fell off from here
Oh.
and it broke.
Why do you have the zip tie? Because it broke?
This one still works. The battery still charged. Plus, he's got a light too, I think. This is the one that's got a light. See?
Oh, yeah.
It's got a light there.
Turn it off?
Huh?
Did you turn it off?
Well, you know, it's just you can lock it to where it will not turn. See, like there, it's locked. And I have more. Oh, also these. Like if I drop a bolt here,
Yeah.
I just pick it up with these.
I had to go buy one of those when I was working on my car.
Oh yeah,
It
these
got
things
stuck. I was working on the engine, and I dropped one of the bolts inside.
Sticks are handy. And these are pretty strong.
Just test it on a credit card.
Huh?
Test it on a credit card.
Yeah. And then I have this long. This is like to take spark plugs out like a spark plugs on this one, the wires. You pull the wires out with these, so you will not rip up the wires. And then I have these extensions. These are long extension. Like
For a socket?
to reach for yeah, you put the socket here, and then you put the ratchet here. Remember that the stick that we saw a while ago over there?
Yeah.
It's one of these. You just light it right there. You put it on the road.
I got a lot of stuff.
See, and this I use it with a drill. Like on the
You trying to clean something?
On the cables, you know, like to clean the cables on a truck,
Yeah.
you use it with these. These here. Just put it with a drill.
Looks like a makeup brush. You should switch it out.
Yeah.
You scrape your face.
Yeah, well, see, it's it takes a jump of this one. See, because this one, the first thing goes out is this brush.
Yeah.
See, it goes out. And then I use it instead of this. You can still use this one, see.
Like a bolt washer. It looks
Yeah.
like the golf ball washers at the golf course.
Oh yeah.